of the inflation parallel to the ground at the starting point of the tape. Roll the bike forward along the tape until the valve comes back around. The distance you've covered is the wheel's circumference. Now, let's enter this measurement into your bike's display. To do this, turn the bike on and hold down this button to access the settings menu on the display. Once you've entered the password, you'll see the first menu, B1. Here, you can select your wheel circumference from a list of preset options. Choose the one closest to your result. In this case, we're between 2.31 and 2.26 meters. Be careful when modifying these settings, as some adjustments could void your warranty. Consult with us before making any changes.